Hi all, today we are solving LeetCode problem number 66 plus 1. You are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digit of I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So let us understand this problem with an example. So example 1, consider the array as 1 comma 2 comma 3. This represents the number 123 and incrementing it by 1 results in 124 and the output becomes 1 comma 2 comma 4. This looks pretty straightforward, right? So we can run it with an example 2. So here we have 1 comma 2 comma 9, which represents the number 129, and incrementing with 1 this should result in 130. So from these two above example we can come to a conclusion that this is very much similar to the manual addition, right? So there we always start from rightmost digit, which is the least significant digit, and we follow the right. So in that case, consider 129, incrementing it by 1. We start from the least significant digit 9. When we add this, if we are getting less than 10, we can proceed it. If it is equal to 10, so we get 10 and we have to set the digit place as 0, and we have to carry this to the left of the digit where we get the 10. So 1 will be moved to the left of the digit, which is 2, and we have to continue this process until there is no carry left, or we have processed all the digits. So we get 3 here and there is no carry left. We processed all the digits and eventually we are getting the answer as 130. And for this particular problem we have to consider one more edge case, which is all nines. So all nines. So, yeah, so here consider the example 9, and if you add 9 with 1 you get 10. You have only one digit available here, and we have to set that digit to be 0, and you have a carry 1 left and you have only one digit spacing. So because of this, while we return the answer, you add 1 at the beginning and sum it with the array and then return it. So digit will be 0, and you have to add 1 with the digit. Hence the answer becomes 1 comma 0, which is 10. So similarly for 99, this we have to follow the same way and we get 100, which is 1 comma 0 comma 0, and 999 also the same. It becomes 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So this is the edge case which we have to take care of it. So let us jump into the code. So we have to calculate the size of the array. So n is equal to len of digits. So since we are doing this addition, we have to start from the right side, right? Or we have to start from the least significant digit, right? So because of that, for I in range, we start from the right side, run till -1 and decrement by -1. I plus or equal. So you may wonder why I am adding 1 to the every index, right? So after this step, we will have a condition check for digits of I less than 10. So if this pass, we will be returning the digit. If it doesn't pass, which means we have the carry. So because of that, we are adding +1 to every element of this digit. So now if digit of I is less than 10, return. So we can return the complete digit array. So if not, we have to handle carry. And we have to set the digit of I to be 0. So for that, we are using this modulo operator, and using 10 we will be setting the digit of I to be 0, and we will have the carry, and the carry will be handled in this particular piece of code. And now when the edge case, which is all 9 case, come into picture, when the loop, when the particular the digits comes out of the loop actually. So here we have to handle that with adding 1 at the beginning. So return hopefully this should work. My bad. Digits. Yeah. And this is a very efficient solution. Yeah. Thank you.